I love watching TV. TV is basically good. Oh man, TV is good. What's the wrong? No. A new SML movie just dropped. Interesting. Interesting. The plug is back. The plug is back. What's going on, everybody? It's gonna be plugs here back at it again on another video. Today we're gonna be acting to SML movie. SML movie, The Woodchipper. So I know this came out yesterday. I was gonna watch it, but I didn't really feel like reacting to videos. I just made a video yesterday, so I didn't really feel like making. I'm probably gonna make a video too. I'm probably gonna make 2 videos today, possibly, if I can. So I'm gonna try with my hardest to push this video out. But anyway, guys, let's get into the video. Let's go.
Oh, guys, what do you want to do today?
Whatever you guys want to do.
Wait, Junior, who is that?
That's Tyler.
Who's Tyler?
He lives in my neighborhood.
Where's Joseph?
He had a baby.
What? He's just a kid. What?
He'll be back soon, so I thought we needed a 3rd friend, so I invited Tyler over.
Okay.
Hey, nerd!
Me?
Nice glasses!
Oh, well, thank you. They're actually... I don't like Tyler.
Well, look, you just have to deal with him for one day. So I thought that we could go outside and play catch.
Okay, let me pause the video real quick. What the heck is this? The frick is that, bro? What is this? What is that? I don't know what that is. Anyway, yeah, let's get back to the video.
With this ball.
Oh, okay. Why is it so deflated? Who played with it? Tom Brady? Okay.
Let's go outside and play catch. Come on. All right, guys, you ready to play catch?
Wait, Junior, why do you have a wood chipper in your front yard?
In case someone wants to chip wood.
How much wood could a wood chipper chip if a wood chipper could chip wood?
Just shove it through the ball, Cody.
Okay, well, who am I throwing it to first?
I'm moving.
Okay, Tyler.
I got a wood chipper.
What were you doing to wood chipper?
I didn't mean to, Junior. I'm not Tom Brady. I can't throw good.
Tyler, are you in there?
He's not in there.
We saw him go in there. Where could he be?
The other side.
Tyler, are you in there? All right, Cody, he didn't come up the other side. He might still be alive in there.
No.
Is that him?
No, what's left of him.
He's dead!
Junior, what are we gonna do? Tyler's dead. We're in so much trouble.
What's all this weed crap? It's your fault.
How is this my fault?
You're the one who threw the ball to make him go in the wood chipper.
I didn't make him go in the wood chipper. I threw the ball to Tyler, and he was already running toward the wood chipper.
But why would you throw it towards the wood chipper? You know he's gonna fall in it.
Well, I thought he had some common goddamn sense and wasn't just gonna jump in a wood chipper. And why did he even try to catch it that hard? Is that the game-winning pass in the Super Bowl?
Cody, I think you did this on purpose.
What?
Yeah, you remember on the couch before we played catch? You said, I don't like Tyler.
Well, yeah, because Tyler's mean. explained. That doesn't mean I wanted to kill him.
So that's your motive. You didn't like him. So I think you planned this whole thing. I think you wanted to play catch so you could throw a ball in the wood chipper and he would die.
It was your idea to play catch, and why do you even have a wood chipper when you don't have trees? And why was it even on? That's suspicious.
You're right. I'm just as suspicious as you are.
Yeah, Junior, you're just as guilty as me.
Okay, so what do we gotta do? We gotta think of a plan.
I don't know, Junior. Maybe we should call the cops.
No, we cannot call the cops. If we call the cops, we're both gonna get arrested because this whole story does not make any sense. They're gonna think we did it on purpose. Okay, so I think what we should do is we just sit here and do nothing.
Junior, we can't just do nothing. You have a pile of blood out there in your street.
Okay, well, they could think that a squirrel crawled in the wood chipper or a raccoon.
Okay, but what happens when Tyler's parents realize he didn't show up for dinner?
Okay, well, no one knows he was supposed to be over here. He was just running around outside. I decided to tell him to come over. So his parents didn't even know he was over here. So they might just think he got kidnapped or he ran away from home. Look, Cody, let's just breathe, calm down, and go eat something.
Yeah, I guess you're right. I guess we can get Chef Phoebe to cook us something.
Well, Chef Phoebe had a baby.
But him too?
Yeah.
Okay, well, Jesus, I guess we can get your dad to, like, drive us to an arcade, play some games, eat some pizza.
My dad had a baby too.
What? Okay, how are all these people having babies?
Well, the guy who plays with characters had a baby. He'll be back in a little bit. Let me go downstairs and grab a Lunchable.
Huh. What's this Woodchipper doing here unattended?
Well,
As long as nobody
falls.
jumps in it, I guess it's fine. I'll just be on my way.
That's why, that he's not in these videos.
That's not what I wanted to see today. Okay?
Ow, Junior, what the hell was that for?
I got you a Lunchable.
What? Junior, it's not a Lunchable. Stop throwing it. It's not a Lunchable. It's a Hillshire snacking. What the hell is that? Where's the Capri Sun? Where's the Go-Gurt?
It's the same thing.
It's not the same thing, Junior. This has Genoa salami, natural white cheddar cheese, and toasted rounds. Like, where are the little mini Oreos?
It's all we had in the fridge, Cody.
Okay, I guess we can split it.
Let's split it.
Oh no, Junior! What if it's the...
It's not the cops, Cody, because why would it be the cops?
Junior, I don't know. Let me think about that for a second. Maybe the pile of blood, or the missing kid, or the wood chipper?
Cody, no one knows about any of those things. It's not the cops. I guarantee it's not the cops. I bet my life it's not the cops. I would swear on my soul it's not the cops. I would bet my Lunchable it's not the cops. It's not the cops. If it's the cops, I'm gonna scream.
Okay.
Hello?
Hey, is that your Woodchipper out there?
Woodchipper? What Woodchipper? I've never seen a day in my life.
Okay, so you wouldn't know anything about that pile of gore out there behind it.
No, I don't know anything about a kid playing catch and jumping the woodchipper and die.
I didn't say any of that.
Well, I think that's what could have happened if someone left the woodchipper in the road.
You know what? I'm gonna come in.
Oh, Junior, I heard you scream, so I'm assuming it's the cat.
Yeah, it's the cops.
Well, you kids must have done something pretty bad, because you scream every time you see me.
We just really want ice cream.
Oh, that makes sense. I mean, ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream.
Yeah, ice cream.
So what are you doing here, officer?
Well, there's a woodchipper outside with a pile of blood behind it. Just wanted to know if you guys knew anything about that.
Well, see, we were,
It was a squirrel.
A squirrel?
Yeah, so me and Cody were playing catch with a squirrel with an acorn, and Cody threw the acorn into the woodchipper so the squirrel would die.
No, it's not so the squirrel would die. I was trying to throw the acorn to the squirrel.
Okay, so listen, basically, the thing is, if that happened, would Cody be in trouble for throwing the acorn in the woodchipper?
Well, I mean, squirrels are pretty dumb, so if you threw the acorn in the woodchipper, you should have probably known the squirrel was going after it.
Okay, so what if it wasn't a squirrel and it was a little boy named Tyler?
Well, then you guys would definitely be at fault, because you should have been playing around a woodchipper in the first place.
Well, good thing it was a squirrel and not a little boy named Tyler that we were hanging out with.
Yeah, that is a good thing. That would have been really bad. Alright, so this all checks out, so I guess I can just leave. I just have to hear it from you!
Me?
Yeah, I just have to hear that it was a squirrel, and that's all that happened, without you sounding nervous or suspicious at all. That's all I need to do.
Okay.
It was a squirrel. Yep. Big squirrel. Yep. Okay, that checks out. Sorry for bothering you kids. See you later.
Junior, that was close. I can't believe we got away with it.
Got away with what? You guys did.
Oh, what's wrong with the video?
Even wait for me to leave the room before you started talking. I didn't even make it to the door. So what'd you guys get away with?
Got away with taking the last Lunchable out of the fridge.
That's not a Lunchable. That's a Hillshire snacking.
I know, but we got away with taking it because it's the last one. My whole family wants them, so we got away with that.
Oh, okay. I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna leave for real this time.
Oh, that was so close.
Quiet, Junior, look. He didn't leave. He's just being fucking weird.
What is he doing?
I think maybe he thinks that if he can't see us, we can't see him. Let's go to a different room. Okay, Junior. I think we have some privacy.
I can't believe we're actually gonna get away with it.
Yeah, I think we will. Well, we probably should have cleaned up that blood outside.
Yeah, the blood's what made the cops come.
Yeah, so what do you want to do now?
You want to play Gobble Monster?
Well, I mean, yeah, of course I do. I thought you never asked. Oh, you want to play the game Gobble Monster? I thought you wanted to be the Gobble Monster.
What?
I remember
Never mind,
this.
let's just play.
Yeah,
Junk Sleep has Mia traveling down the boulevard of boyfriends past.
and I think it was
During Mattress Firm's big spring sale, save up to 40%.
broken up. Yeah.
Thanks for choosing the police station. How may I take your order?
My son is missing.
Well, how long's he been missing for?
A few hours.
It's the
There's
girl
not
with
really
the
much we can do until he's missing for 72
Yes.
hours, so come back in 3 days.
But it's dark outside. I'm afraid something bad has happened.
Well, there's not much I can do. I'm gonna have to call for backup. I might get in here.
What's up, Simmons?
Sheila's Rouge on the fritz.
What?
Ask her.
Man, what's he talking about?
My son's been missing for a few hours.
Oh, well, are you sure he's not just in his room?
No, he went outside and he hasn't been back since.
Well, did you take his video game systems away recently? Kids can be dramatic like that.
No, not this week.
Well, do you have a picture of your son?
Yes.
I definitely have not seen that kid. What'd you say his name was?
Tyler.
Tyler. Now, I've definitely heard of Tyler today. What did I hear about Tyler? Oh, Tyler the Creator. That's right. I was listening to Odd Future in my car. Can you describe the neighborhood where your son went missing?
Yes, there are a bunch of houses.
Houses, yeah. There are usually houses in a neighborhood. That's not too suspicious. Were there lawns in this neighborhood?
Yes, and cars parked out front.
Cars. Now, were there any cars you didn't recognize?
Yes, there was a wood chipper that appeared out of nowhere today.
A wood chipper. Now, I know I've seen a wood chipper today. What was that about? Tyler, wood chipper. There's definitely a connection there. Wait a minute. Ma'am, was your son a squirrel?
No.
Oh, well, then it couldn't have been your son. See, these two kids killed a squirrel with a wood chipper, but they specifically said it wasn't a boy named Tyler, so it could not have been your son. Wait a minute. Something's not adding up here. Ma'am, last time you saw your son, was his body full of blood?
I think so.
Oh, come with me. Ma'am, is this your son?
No, my son had hair and skin.
I see. And your son was alive when he left the house?
Yes, I think so.
Okay. Well, ma'am, this might be your son. What? Yeah, I think your son might have gone through this wood chipper. Don't cry yet. I'm not 100% sure. I need to confirm this. Junior, that board game sucked. It would have felt much better if you were the Gobble Monster.
Cody.
Oh, goddamn.
You haven't left yet?
Oh, no, I left. I just came back because I had questions about the squirrel thing.
What do you want to know about the stupid dead squirrel?
Well, this mom came and reported a son missing, and the son's name was Tyler, which was the name of the boy you didn't play ball with.
Yeah, we did not play ball with a boy named Tyler with a red striped shirt.
That's interesting, because the missing boy has a red striped shirt. Well, the mom is out there looking at the blood right now, and when I told her it might be her son, she did not like that at all.
Well, lie to her. Say it's a squirrel.
Well, that wouldn't be a lie, right?
No, that's the truth. It's the truth. It's a squirrel.
Oh, that's good. That is really good, because if it was his son, then you guys would be really bad people, and you should feel really bad about that.
Well, it's not her son, unless her son's a squirrel.
Oh, okay, good. That's great. That's exactly what I wanted to hear. There is just one more thing. I ran the DNA on the blood out there, and it turned out it is Tyler's DNA. So what do you have to say about that? Okay, I admit it. We did it. We killed Tyler.
No, we didn't kill Tyler. Cody killed Tyler. Cody's the one that threw the ball with the wood chipper and made Tyler get inside it.
I didn't make Tyler get inside it. He fell inside it trying to catch the ball in Junior's wood chipper that he owns for some reason.
But Cody told me he does not like Tyler, so I think it's premeditated. He wanted Tyler to die, so he threw a ball in the wood chipper.
No, it was an accident.
Well, joke's on you, kids. I didn't actually run the DNA, so you admitted to the crime for no reason. Ha ha, boo-boo.
Oh, we get arrested?
Oh, yeah, you're getting arrested.
Oh, no.
Yeah, I gotta read you guys your rights. Wait, how does this work? Do I read them at the same time or individually? How about this? Y'all have the right to remain silent. If y'all cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to y'all.
Well, why am I getting arrested? He's the one that killed him.
Because you lied about the murder, idiot.
Hey guys!
We thought you died.
My mom's a bitch!
Wait, why'd you fake your own death?
I gotta go to Chuck E. Cheese. My mom would take me.
How did you
Tyler
fake
is
your own death? We
savage,
saw
though,
you inside the
low-key.
wood chipper. We saw the blood on the ground.
Tyler crazy
Teddy
though.
bear was right for going into the machine, but I went to Chuck E. Cheese, but I didn't have any money, so I came back.
Huh, well, I guess you kids are free to go. But Tyler, you're under arrest for faking your own death, causing a public nuisance, and making me look silly. And having a potty mouth. Come on, mister. Well, Junior, it feels really good that I didn't kill someone.
So you admit that if he would have actually died, you would have killed him?
No, I still don't know why you have a wood chipper.
Yeah, me either. I miss Joseph.
Yeah, me too. What would you do if you found a meteor? This was the question to the last video. This was the question to the last. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Okay, let me just make sure that this is the question. Because sometimes, hold on. I was about to look and actually see if that's the question.
Oh, Junior, I feel really good that I didn't kill someone.
So you admit that if he would have...
Hold on.
No, I still don't know why you have a woodchipper.
Yeah, me either. I miss Joseph.
Yeah. So that's the same answer to my question. Anyway, I've already told you guys what I would do if I found a meteor. So anyway, guys, it's gonna be it for the SML movie reaction. Woodchipper. I gotta go do the thumbnail, and then I have to do a marathon of videos. So anyway, guys, see you guys later. Bye.